How to recover old, permanently deleted YouTube channel. This tutorial shows you the steps you can try to restore your deleted channel if it's still within the recovery period. First, it's important to know that YouTube channels can only be recovered within 30 days of deletion. Next, open your web browser on your Android device and go to youtube.com. Following that, sign in with the Google account that owned the deleted channel. Now, if your channel was deleted recently, you may see a notification or option to restore it. Moving forward, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Afterwards, look for an option like Restore Channel or Undo Deletion if available. In addition to that, if you don't see this option, the channel may be permanently deleted beyond recovery. Once there, if the Restore option appears, tap on it to begin the recovery process. Subsequently, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm channel restoration. Moreover, if no Restore option is available, you'll need to contact YouTube support directly. Afterwards, go to youtube.com/account on your browser. Then scroll down and tap on Need More Help or Contact Us. Within the support page, select the issue category as Account and Settings. Alternatively, choose Channel Management and then Deleted Channel. Once there, explain your situation in detail, including when the channel was deleted and why you want it back. Then submit your request and wait for YouTube support to respond via email. Within a few days, YouTube will review your case and let you know if recovery is possible. And that's it. If this channel recovery guide helped you understand the restoration process, please like the video, subscribe for more YouTube account tips, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.